Guys, welcome back. We are here for some duels. Yeah, it was just in a mini walls. Okay, so prototype. Okay, we'll be doing some spider drop shot trolling. Well, it's not all gonna be spider. Let me do the first game spider. I'll just alternate some classes. Let me try to troll these. Haha. What is it? He is Creeper Neptune YT. Ooh, he's Preston. What's up, yo? Yeah, I drop shot him. Yay! You can run, you can't escape from me, the spider. Oh, he's gonna drink his pod. Never mind. Oh, it's two drop shocks. Let me play,
Sudden, immediate death.
yeah, immediate death. My brother here is here. Yeah. Is this the same guy? Maybe. Could be. The guy's name was Creep.
Someone
Is
like me.
it Cape?
That's not him.
I'll try to troll him again. Yeah, it's a different guy. Oh, he's a skeleton. I don't like skeletons. They both spam a lot. Is he AFK? Okay, no, he's not. Oh, I failed there. Mate. Come on. Hopefully he's not that bad of a bow spammer. Mate. I failed. Mate, come on. Stop bow spamming. Ah, now you're fighting. Block it. Mate. Ah, haha. Oh, I'm low. You got drop shocked. I'll just do that. Oh, I hate his explosive.
I drop shot him.
That was nice. GG, man. GG. Okay, I'm gonna play another class. Which class should I do? I'll do pirate.
Nah, I'll do let's spider.
Okay. Want me to drop shock again? MC Blue Cow 88 Arcanist. Oh, mate. Haha! I got you. Oh, I'm not gonna block it and make it worse. Okay, we're gonna be doing like a bit more duels. Spider. Yeah. Okay. Is anyone joining? I just look at the leaderboard. I don't really try to get on the leaderboard. Just try to have some fun with the classes. Oh, the person pony's on the same thing. Oh, Mr. Slime's first on each one. Slime, yes, but Panda Slime. I think this is not a good lobby. Let me get in another lobby. That's fine. Oh, I don't think anyone will be joining. So let me try a 2v2. It's funner to drop shot than that, especially if it's like a 2v1. Okay, yeah, this one's already loaded. We're gonna be doing one last video. This drop shock montage. Okay, yeah. They're all HBs except me, so they lose health fast. Epic EG. Oh, you're going wild this way. Wait. Oh! I failed. Did I get you? No, I didn't get you. Oh. I wish my team had lost. Did you just resign? Let's do one more. Actually, I think I'll end the video. Well, peace out, guys. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share it with other friends. Thank you for watching. Peace.